All right, guys, welcome to the third module where we are going to be setting up every single thing from the very start to the finish in your Shopify store. We're going to go through all of the settings. We're going to introduce you to collections, product displays, galleries. We're going to talk about themes. We are going to show you how to do every single thing that you need to do to create a fully scaled e-commerce dropshipping business. So the way that I want to start this is by discussing the two themes that we are going to focus on, specifically one. So if you sell, just one product, let's say that you are doing a startup and you want to just sell like an alarm clock that you have to do a math equation for or something to wake up, or whatever it is, right? So if you have one flagship product, then you are going to use Jumpstart. And I'm going to show this very quickly, but we are going to focus on the top theme first. So this is, some type of, I don't even know what this is. Okay, so it's some type of lock. And this is the perfect example, right? So if you have one lock with a main hero video, you're doing it through a crowdfunding like Kickstarter, then this is a perfect theme for you. But I'm going to make the assumption that most of us are going to have dropshipping stores, niche specific, right? Maybe you have an aquarium store where you have a ton of different lights and aquarium plants, and maybe you're selling the rocks or the beads or whatever it is as well, and all the different types of products, right? You're going to have 5 or more. So Jumpstart, just remember, is really for if you have less than 5 products, but we are going to focus on the theme for this course, which is called Brooklyn. So both of these themes are fully optimized on mobile and they're super easy to manipulate. The reason that I chose Brooklyn is, first of all, because it's absolutely beautiful. Second of all, because it's free. So I wanted to have as few expenses as possible for you guys to try to really start making money before you really invest it back. That is the beauty of dropshipping, right? No upfront costs, or very few at least. So Brooklyn is a beautiful theme. It's fully mobile optimized, which is amazing because most of our traffic is going to be coming from Facebook and Instagram, and 60% of that traffic from those two sources is normally via mobile, so it needs to be perfect on mobile. And so we are going to talk about exactly how to optimize it best for mobile. The third reason that I chose Brooklyn is because it has a full support help. So it has a help article. So if you ever need help, doing anything like doing slideshows, setting rich text, talking about collections, creating collection lists, featured collections, it shows you step by step how to do all of this, which is amazing, right? And then also, very importantly, with the kind of a main few themes that Shopify supports, their customer support chat is actually incredibly good at literally solving things for you. Like, they can sometimes even do kind of simple coding stuff. And for any of you who have used any other platform on the internet in your life, right, the customer service is normally not particularly stellar, but the customer service support staff in relation to Brooklyn, they're actually incredibly helpful. So they can help you, do basic coding. They can help you set up your collections. If you ever get lost, they can help you with your product listings. All types of different things, they can really help. And having that, that support available to you for whenever you want is a huge, huge resource. So let's jump in and take a quick look at this theme. So I'm going to close this one, and we're going to just take a look at this theme. So it's really cool. They offer, casual and playful just for different types of product lines. I prefer casual, and this shows the desktop version. This shows mobile. So it's very sleek and simple. I love this design, just with the basic menu structures, the obvious kind of shop men's or shop women's or whatever you're featuring. It has, a beautiful layout that really becomes elements and sectioned well for mobile. It has a great sales price. It pops out very well. The imagery is also very beautiful. It has, footer space for your social media. It has, return policy, search, blog, contact, about us, all just kind of the necessities that you need presented in a very beautiful way. And again, via mobile, it looks absolutely fantastic. So we're going to be focusing on Brooklyn. All of the demos that I do, I'm going to set up the store literally from scratch in Brooklyn. But I just wanted to introduce and kind of explain why. And give just 2 more little things. So the logo images on Brooklyn, and this is taken straight from the help article. I just wanted to kind of present it for you guys because it's just I want to make this as easy and as seamless as possible. They recommend that it should be 400 by 200 pixels. So if you hire someone off Fiverr, like I explained in the previous module, or Upwork to design your logo for you, right? This is the logo area right here. You want to tell them that the final output should be 450 by 200 pixels, and it should be a PNG, which means it has a transparent background. Transparent background just helps, depending on whether or not your theme has like maybe this could be black or white or a different color. Having a transparent background just generally looks better. And so this is kind of your theme, or excuse me, your logo dimensions. And then if you want to use the full screen hero slideshow, which is this right here, it recommends that your slideshow image should be 1200 pixels wide. And Brooklyn is a completely responsive theme. So look what we're seeing right here. So the image is this size, and then when we go half, it's half. It doesn't cut the image in half. It's a fully responsive theme, which basically means it will resize for both mobile and desktop, because mobile phones, there's a ton of different size screens. Like there's some that are super small, there's like the iPhone Plus, there's this Galaxy, all have slightly different dimensions, and so it's very important to have a fully responsive theme that adjusts your pictures dynamically, which this does. So that is just the very intro. This is going to be a super exciting one. I hope you guys are ready to actually build something and create something that is going to change your life, because this is going to do it. So let's jump into the next one, where we are going to actually set up our Shopify store and go through all of the settings from front to back without skipping any steps for you guys. So let's do it. I'll see you on the next one.